Think it'll be warm by then? December 20th?
Gosh,
I don't think so.
The way this forecast is going, we could be in the 80s by then, and then the next day, 15 below.
All right, in all seriousness, live look over downtown. I mean, it's not going to be hitting until later tonight, Ethan, but if you're going to be out late tonight, you got to take precautions.
Yeah, especially on any untreated roads or side streets. I know NDOT crews, DPW crews have been out since earlier this afternoon pre-treating the roads, which is great because any moisture that's left on the ground after the snow in scenarios like this will quickly freeze, and that could make things even worse for tomorrow morning's commute. We're quiet though on Guardian radar, and temperatures are in the 40s overall compared to the last 2 days. Very pleasant out there, very seasonable for an early December day. It's all of this moisture up to our north and to our north and west that's going to be heading in our direction in the form of some rain and maybe quick bursts of snow. Cold front passing through here, I would say around 9-10 o'clock, and it's going to be during that time period. Areas northwest will see those quick bursts of snow in spots first, then areas southeast closer to midnight before the percentage of area covered with any rain or quick bursts of snow gets on out of here. Quick bursts, maybe half an inch to an inch of snow, perhaps on the grass and then the concrete. And notice this is exactly what Futurecast is saying, right around 9:30 with the front passing through right over Indy Metro. You bet we'll be tracking this. It's not going to be a big snow. No weather headlines will come from this as quickly this is going to get on out of here by midnight. Big story behind it are the gusty winds and the even cooler air behind this cold front. Look at Minneapolis with a wind chill of 10 degrees below zero. All of that cool air heading our way, along with the change in winds. Northwest winds behind the front. We have southwest winds right now with a wind advisory now in effect until 4 o'clock in the morning. Winds will gust up to 40-45 miles per hour, so be sure to secure any holiday decorations that might be very easily blown over by the wind. And wear layers tomorrow morning. I anticipate for the first time this season, we'll be talking about wind chills below zero and only in the morning, then in the teens throughout the day. Temperatures for your Thursday around 15 to 20 degrees below average, but then we'll warm up quite nicely again like today. By the time Sunday, Monday come around, we'll be talking about above average temperatures, and that looks to be the story on an overall basis as we get later into the month. Windy, snow showers and spots, breezy and cold, sub-zero wind chills. Not the nicest of nights, but just be aware if you will be heading out at all this evening later on. And tomorrow, breezy, cold, highs in the 20s without accounting for wind chill. Weekend looks decent, seasonable in the 40s on Saturday, 50s on Sunday and Monday, and then even getting into next week, not too bad.